Hi there, students. A surcharge. And thank you to Ronan for suggesting this one. Thanks, Aha. So a surcharge is a payment that needs to be made in additional to the usual amount paid, or in addition to the amount already paid. So I remember a lot of complaints a number of years ago about people buying package holidays and then being surcharged, I've used it as a verb, because of an increase in fuel prices. And there was a line in the small print in the middle of the small print saying you may be all prices paid may be subject to a surcharge. A surcharge may be made for deliveries outside normal hours. The road tax will be abolished, and the lost revenue will be compensated with an additional surcharge on fuel. Okay, so a surcharge, an extra charge, an extra payment. There is a surcharge for excess baggage. If you go to the airport without your ticket already printed, there will be a surcharge of £40 for printing your ticket. If you use a credit card, there will be a surcharge. A surcharge is put on late applications. Okay, so a surcharge, this is an extra payment. Money in additional to the usual payment, and it's added for a specific reason. For example, a company may put a surcharge on something because the tax has risen. The government has introduced a 15% surcharge on imports. This to me sounds like tariffs, which is probably the same. The prices of overseas holidays are subject to surcharges. So a surcharge, in various cases, I believe surcharges are illegal, or they've brought in new laws to stop surcharging. Okay, so to surcharge, this, for example, can apply to anything. It's an extra fee. It's something that there was that is increased. Now, notice you can also use this as a verb to mean to fill, to load to excess. So the atmosphere was surcharged with hysteria about the war. Okay, so to surcharge, the stadium was surcharged with emotion, having won the final. So an extra fee, an extra cost, an additional payment. There is this is your train ticket, but if you want somewhere to sleep, you'll have to pay a surcharge. There is a surcharge to pay on your insurance. So also this surcharge, something that it is too much, it's over the top. There is a surcharge of hype about this film. But normally it's a surcharge on something, money you have to pay in addition. A 10% surcharge on airline tickets. The price is guaranteed and will not be subject to any surcharge. So surcharges, particularly in real life, fuel surcharges on airline or shipping costs, credit card surcharges when you pay for something, peak season surcharges on hotels or transport during holidays, or convenience fees for services like same-day processing on your order. You pay a surcharge and you will get your order on the same day. Or regulatory fees on utility bills like the water, or tips for the waiter already added to your bill, or fees for special services like expedited shipping or something like that. Okay, so there are loads and loads of them. If you go to put your credit card in a machine in an ATM to get money out, there may be a surcharge if you don't use your own bank's network. If you use the opposing network, then there is a surcharge. Maybe in a hotel there's a surcharge to use the swimming pool, for example. Things that are not included in the basic rate. Okay, yeah, so the surcharges, there are always, in this life, there are all surcharges for all sorts of things. Yeah, very often we need to be careful about these surcharges, these additional payments. So, surcharge. Sur, from sur, is over, is on top, supercharge, surcharge in French. So a surcharge, this is a business word. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something very formal, it's business. So surcharge. Bye for now.